Ja, well, servus. Welcome everybody. Today I have something special for you. It's an intelligence test, sozusagen, ne? Nennen. Und it's live here from the Schmarrn TV studios. So I'm gonna show you now two pictures, okay? They're actually not two pictures. There's one picture. This is the same picture, but they're not exactly the same. So you have to concentrate and look at the picture and let me know which picture is something different. There's something in the picture which the other picture doesn't have. So it's let's now show the picture. So this is the picture. Okay, let's play the music, please. The music. Yes, here you go. So there is one item in the picture that is not in the other one. Please focus now. Really concentrate and look at the picture. But now you know how easy it is to get tricked, so to speak. You know? And well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway because a little adrenaline it cannot hurt you. Okay, uh, stay cool. Freezing. Der Leusel.